Hey guys, it's Tori. So today we are going to be doing my Sephora VIB sale wish list. I have my computer all ready to go. So I think I'm gonna kind of separate this. The first half of the video is gonna be the things that are on my wish list that are either out of stock or I'm probably not gonna buy. And the second half are gonna be the things that are like in my cart, ready to go. Like, this is definitely going to be like an afterpay type of order for sure, because it's like $300 something in my cart, and like I could afford that. Maybe I will do that, and then just like I'm just gonna pull from my savings. Probably shouldn't do that, but I probably will. So anyways, this is my Sephora VIB sale wish list. So if you don't know, the Sephora sale happens twice a year, in the spring and then in the like fall/winter, and it is where anyone who has a Sephora account gets a percentage off. So if you're like a fresh member, you get 10% off. If you're like me and you spent like, I think it's like $350 to be VIB, you get 15% off, or Rouge gets 20% off. My day starts tomorrow, Tuesday the 5th. So I'm gonna try and get this video up today or tomorrow so you guys can see it. And then I will of course do a haul of the things I actually purchased, because my ass is gonna be staying up late tonight with timer ready to go, because I know a lot of these things are gonna sell really quick. But with all of that being said, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my face, and let's just get into my wish list. Okay, so I'm gonna sit over here a little bit so that I can have pictures up here. But first, we're gonna start with the things that I'm either not really sure I'm gonna order or are out of stock. I'll let you know what is out of stock, and the things probably won't come back in stock during the sale, but I definitely will be buying them as soon as I can, because they're all like new things that I really wanna try. And like I told you guys in my last video, which if you haven't seen that, go check it out. It was a lot of updates and just kind of talking about where my life is at and things going on. But I haven't bought new makeup for myself in a few months, and I'm actually really proud of myself. First is the Rare Beauty Perfect Strokes Universal Volumizing Mascara. I've heard so many good things about this, and I'm usually a drugstore mascara kind of girl, but because of how many people love this, I really am tempted to try it. It is $20, so that's kind of steep for me for a mascara, because normally I think most of my mascaras are like $10, $12, but I've just heard a lot of really good things about it, so I'm really considering buying that or making 2 orders or something. Next, this was in my cart, and then I decided to take it out because I have like 3 moisturizers I want. So I decided to take this one out of my cart, and we'll just kind of see how I'm feeling. But this is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Pink Juice Oil-Free Moisturizer. So if you guys don't know, I have been on Curology for almost 2 years now, and I like the formulation, like your personalized formulation, a lot, but I'm so tired of using their moisturizer and their cleanser, and I have back stock on both, because every time they send me like my order every 2 months, I need my personalized solution, but I always still have like half a bottle of lotion and half a bottle of cleanser. So I canceled the cleanser and the moisturizer for my next order, which should be in like a week or 2, and I want to start using other products for my cleanser, my moisturizer. Next is the Makeup Forever HD Skin Undetectable Longwear Foundation. This is the brand new one. I think it was Casey Holmes. I was watching her and she used this and she said she loves it. And maybe, I think her name's Ali Yost. She's like that like hey girly pops girl on TikTok. She has a YouTube channel, and I was watching some of her makeup videos, but they both said that it's really good and they really like it. And my skin has been getting more oily recently, so I feel like something that's not so dewy could be good for me. That is $43, and I had it in my cart and I took it out, but I might put it back in. That is something I'm really considering buying. But I do have a couple others like foundation-y products, but like I said, I haven't bought any of the new releases in months, so it's like everything in my cart is new for the most part. Next is the Milk Makeup Bionic Liquid Blush in the shade Infinity. This is out of stock, and this isn't something that I was going to purchase this very moment, but it's still on my wish list for Sephora. This is something that maybe in a few weeks or a few months, once it gets a little warmer outside, I will buy. The shade just looks really, really pretty, and I just thought it was something interesting. Next is the Ole Henriksen Banana Bright Eye Cream. This is $40, and it's only 0.5 ounces. So it's like expensive for not a lot of product, but I don't have an eye cream, but I do enjoy my like Jaclyn Cosmetics under eye primer. So I thought maybe an eye cream would be good too. I had this in my cart and I took it out because knowing me, I won't use it. I feel like it's something I need to wait till summer to get when I'm like more fresh faced, because this is a full face of makeup. If you want to see like my tutorial on this look, it's basically the exact same thing that I did in my last video. Next is the Patrick Ta Major Beauty Headlines Double Take Cream and Powder Blush. I have the shade She's That Girl in my wish list. These are constantly out of stock. I don't know if I've ever seen like anything Patrick Ta in stock, like at all. So I want it. It won't be happening because it's out of stock. Next, these two next products I really want, and they're both out of stock. It's the One Size Made for Shade Bronze and Sculpt Trio, and then also the Cheek Clapper Blush Trio. Every time I hear someone say that, nobody makes a joke about it, and I think it's freaking hilarious because like, if you know, you know what I mean? But yeah, in the bronzer, I have the shade Light, and then for the blush trio, I have the shade Freaky Peach. I want them both really bad. They were literally only in stock when they first launched, and I like wanted to wait until the sale, and they both sold out. So it's something that I'm just gonna have to kind of be fine with not being able to have. She wants to make an appearance, clearly. And then like the last main thing I really have been dying to get for months, like I've been waiting for months for this to come back in stock, is the Makeup by Mario Soft Sculpt Shaping Stick. I have the shade Light Medium in my wish list, but it's been out of stock for months. I've had the reminder set for like a notification for when it comes back in stock, and he's just not restocked literally any of his products in months, like since Christmas. Now we have the things that are in my cart that I'm like pretty positive I'm going to buy. So the first thing is the Makeup by Mario Ultra Suede Cozy Lip Cream in the shade Pinky Brown. This, I had a different shade in my wish list and it was out of stock, but then I started like looking at the swatches and stuff, and this one looks really pretty. I don't need lip products, but I just thought that like these sounded really good. I've seen a lot of people talk about them. And then I have the Wishful Honey Balm Niacinamide Moisturizer. This is the moisturizer that I want to use at night time once I get it. I've wanted it for a while, and it's $43, so I've kind of been putting off grabbing it, but I'm really considering that one, like that's in my cart ready to go. This one I'm on the fence about, but I'm like, if I'm gonna buy it eventually, I might as well buy it now because it's gonna be on sale. This is the brand new Patrick Ta Major Dimension 2 Rose Eyeshadow Palette. $68, hefty price tag, but I do have the original one and I really like it, and it's just so pretty, and I know that I will want it eventually. I'm like, why would I not buy it during the sale? But just, you might as well. Next is the Makeup by Mario Moisture Glow Plumping Lip Serum. This is $22 and I want the shade Apricot Glow. These just look so nice, and I've heard so many amazing things about these. They're just supposed to kind of be like a tint and like a gloss, and that is me. Like, I want something that has a little bit of coverage and is glossy, because if I wear lip products, 90% of the time it's a gloss. I'm not wearing any right now because I don't know why, but that just sounds really good. This is a new product. This is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Sunscreen. SPF 50. This is $34, and this is gonna be my morning time moisturizer slash like makeup prep. I really enjoy Glow Recipe, and I've been trying to get a lot better at using SPF every single day in the mornings. So this is definitely something that I'm getting. Like, I want that product. Now we have the brand new Rare Beauty Tinted Moisturizer. This has SPF 20 in it. I have the shade 12C, and it's $29. Anyone who has used this so far that I've seen loves it. Like, they love it. And I probably would have bought it anyways because it's one, Rare Beauty, and two, it's a tinted moisturizer, and I love more full coverage tinted moisturizers. I think this one's supposed to be medium to buildable, so like that's my perfect like in between. I love something that's medium and buildable because I don't want just light coverage, but most of the time I don't want full coverage, so like that would be perfect. This, I'm surprised, is in stock right now, which is like, so many of these products are the reason I'm like, I'm gonna have to like be ready to go, card in hand, money in my account. Like, we're gonna have to be on it. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Filter, $44. I need the shade Too Fair. First shade's gonna be too light. I think the third shade will be too dark. So this is currently in stock. I don't know how long it will stay that way, but I've wanted this for months. My sister has it and loves it. Anyone who I see have this, love it. And I want to be on the bandwagon. Same with this next product. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. I have the mini one in there. I don't need a full size, and it's $20, which is pricey because I usually use the Morphe like continuous, and I think that's $16. So I've heard just really good things about this, and it's one of those things that I've been like debating getting for a while. Next is the Lawless Conceal the Deal Full Coverage Concealer. I have the shade Cloud in there, and it's $26. This is a brand new concealer. I've seen some really good things about it, and I haven't tried a new concealer in a few months, and I'm running low on my all-time favorite, so I'm on the hunt for like another favorite. And if I can't find something I like as much, I'm just gonna have to repurchase my Lancome one. But this intrigues me. I've heard good things. It's a new concealer. I love testing out concealers. And the very last thing is the Rare Beauty Soft Pinch Liquid Blush in the shade Joy. Everybody and their mother loves these liquid blushes. Like, they love them. They rave about them. They're all about it. And I'm like, okay, I want to be on the bandwagon. I want to be there right next to all of y'all. Like, give it to me. I want to love it too. I want to love it too. So that is sitting there in my cart, ready to go. And it took me a while to decide on what shade I wanted, but I believe this shade is like a peachy terracotta or something. I don't remember, but it just kind of sounded like a bit of me. So that is everything on my wish list and what is in my cart as of right now. I might end up making more than one purchase. We'll see if I get this promotion on Thursday that I'm really hoping that I get. But I am really considering that Rare Beauty mascara and the Makeup Forever foundation to add back into the cart. And after those, I'll be at $400 before my 15% comes in. So I think it'd be like $350-ish or something like that, which is like a lot. It's a lot of money. But, you know, I haven't bought new makeup in a long time, and it's all on sale. So if there's gonna be a sale, I might as well just go for it. Why would I not? So yeah, all that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know down below if there's anything you guys plan on getting. And like I said, I will definitely do a haul, and I will definitely post a TikTok haul, so check out the description for my TikTok link. I post hauls on there way before they get up on my channel, so if you want like a sneak peek or like exclusive access, go check out my TikTok. I have hair content, outfits, makeup, all kinds of things on there. But yeah, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my face. Check out all my socials in the description, and I will see you guys very soon. Bye, guys.